Students, welcome to the subject Computer Fundamental. We are in chapter Introduction and the topic that we are discussing is computer generation. In the previous period, we have covered generation 1, generation 2, generation 3, generation 4 and today we will be covering 5th generation. Fifth generation, the period you very well know is from 1989 till today. Point number 1. Okay. Earlier computers were large in size, but miniaturization reduced the size of computer as it reduced the size of the electronic circuit. So also the case is true with fifth generation. Point 1. Further miniaturization of electronic components, dramatic increase in power of microprocessor, increase in capacity of main memory and hard disk continued. Students, we have studied earlier the technology has advanced, okay, in electronics field. So you have a miniaturization of electronic components. The microprocessor, which is the controlling processor, the power has increased, even the main memory and hard disk capacity has increased. Point number 2. Ultra large scale integration, that is ULSI, having 10 million electronic components on chip was the technology adopted. Students, you know that is integrated circuit is nothing but various electronic components mounted on single chip and they are interconnected. So the technology like small scale integration, medium scale integration, large scale integration, very large scale integration, and then beyond that you have got ultra large scale integration. That is, it depends upon how many components are mounted on a chip. In case of ULSI, that is ultra large scale integration, you have more than 10 million electronic components. So it comes out to be something like 1 crore components on single chip. Point number 3. Compact computers available at cheaper rates, PCs, that is personal computer, workstations, powerful servers, powerful supercomputer and handheld computers were the devices of this generation. Point number 4. Storage technology also advanced, making larger main memory and disk storage available. PCs, that is personal computer, main memory of few gigabytes and hard disk memory of 80 to 320 gigabyte was common. Compact disk, that is CDs, were popular portable medium. Students, you know, in the fifth generation you have got higher main memory and as well as hard disk, that is secondary storage, and today we have got CDs or that is compact disk as popular portable medium. Point number 5. In large scale systems, powerful supercomputers with parallel processing technology with shared memory and also distributed memory were adopted. Students, you know, after the fourth generation you had small scale computers, that is computers which were small to be used by individuals, and computers which are called as supercomputers. So both went parallel. So in large scale system, powerful supercomputers which had parallel processing technology, and also they adopted the shared memory concept as well as distributed memory concept. Hence they could produce or process lot of data. Point number 6. Internet emerged with associated technologies and applications. You know, students, internet is nothing but interconnection of okay, wide area networks through which one can gain information which is available on any computer. Okay, electronic mail, that is email facility, and world wide web, that is www, were helpful. Because of internet, okay, all the world has become a global village. One can, okay, immediately connect and exchange the thoughts, views with anyone sitting in any corner of the world, and he can get lot of information. This is what is internet has given. Point number 7, availability of multimedia computers and multimedia applications with information in text, graphics, animation, audio and video data have changed human lifestyles. Students, because of this multimedia okay, technology, life has changed. Okay, you can see that you can enjoy the information in textual format as it is printed, graphics format, that is as pictures are available, animation, that is the moving objects, audio and video data, you can just see a picture like information. So this has changed the human lifestyle, you very well know this. In the area of operating system, new concept gained popularity. Point number 8, they include microkernel, multi-threading and multi-core operating system. So operating system also had new concept like microkernel, multi-threading and multi-core operating system. More about this you will study, okay, when you take up the chapter operating system. Point number 9, in the area of programming languages, concepts like Java programming was popular. So you know very well Java is very popular language and it has been adopted in the internet world. Okay. Point number 10, fifth generation desktop PCs and workstations are several times powerful and faster than PCs of fourth generation. Students, you know, as the year passes, technology is advancing very fast. So whatever PCs and workstations were of fourth generation, okay, so today's PCs, that is the fifth generation PCs and workstations, have got higher and powerful capacity of processing and they are very fast in responses. Point number 11, the commercial production of these was easy because of development in technology. Students, you know, as the technology is advancing very fast beyond our imaginations, so commercial production was very easy. Point number 12, also the price range was within the reach of common man. So you got different range of devices in this generation. You can, it will be helpful for your pocket, and so also the facilities are given. So every man is able to adapt to the fifth generation computers. The examples of these are IBM notebook, Pentium PCs. Okay, in the workstation you have got Sun workstation, IBM SP2, Param supercomputer, etc. So students, today we have studied fifth generation computers. So this will conclude our topic, that is generation of computers. So I will pass on PDF with this. As you have written earlier PDF, please write this PDF also. I will pass on the supported questions with this. I hope these are the new concepts, new terminologies that you will learn in this generation of computers. Okay, the more meaning will be available as we proceed in the chapters that we will be studying, okay, in coming days. Thank you.